About this item: 7-inch rotatable HD screen design Leipan 7-inch LCD digital microscope, use 12MP focusing camera and 1080p high-resolution screen which can create high-quality images and videos compared to the similar 4.3-inch 720p microscopes. This digital microscope is bigger and clearer, which will bring you a much better micro world observing experience. The rotatable 90 degrees screen design allow you can find the best comfortable angle for observe and eliminates your eye and neck strain. Continuous 10x 1200x magnification Leipan digital microscope with screen allow you to zoom in and see the incredible details from 10x to 1200x. The actual magnification differs due to the screen size, the distance between camera and observations. Please note this microscope is not professional lab biological microscope and it can't used for observing cells. 8 LED lights plus 2 flexible side lights. Design: the 8 adjustable LED illuminator only ensure most of parts bright and clear, but some parts still very dark and can't observe. The 2 brightness adjustable side lights are flexible enough and can illuminate different angles which ensure all the parts bright and clear. Hook up to PC for larger view. Connect Leipan LCD microscope to the PC/laptop, Windows and Mac OS compatible, to observe in larger scale and facilitate data sharing and analysis. Just plug and play, no need to download extra software. Run the default software: Windows Camera for Windows 10 and Photo Booth for iMac/MacBook. Take photo and record video. Leipan coin microscope can take 12MP, 40/23/30/24 photos, record 1080f HD 1920 1080 30fps video. There are 2 ways for taking photo and video. Press the button on the host or use the wired remote. We suggest use the wired remote, which can reduce the camera's shake and take clearer photos and videos. Height adjustable solid metal holder and base. Leipan microscope's holder and base is built with aluminum alloy, more to dry and steadily than other plastic version is slow. The alloy base very suitable for soldering